Hi guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to shrink and extend your volume partitions. So in this PC, as you can see, we have a local disk C which has around a terabyte of memory. So how do we do that? We are going to go to disk management, which is an app or a disk management that already comes with your Windows. So it's not a third-party program or software or anything. It's built into your Windows. The first thing we're gonna do is you're gonna click on Start and R. This is gonna give us the run. As you can see, the run task. So we are going to type here compmgmt.msi. So that is the comp management file. We're going to open that. We're going to go to disk management. And as you can see, we already have the 1 gigabyte unallocated file, unallocated memory, sorry. So what we're going to do is we're going to go with this 929 gigabytes of memory. We're going to right click on that. And we're going to go with shrink volume. What we're going to do after we wait this out is we are going to shrink the volume, basically take a byte out of our local disk C. We're going to go with, I don't know, 4 gigabytes, let's say, and that 4 gigabytes is going to be unlocated. So after we get those 4 gigabytes unlocated, the only thing you can do to extend the volume is you have to have unlocated memory on your computer management tab. So after you got unlocated memory, you can just add it to your local disk C. Basically, it's shrink and extend. So we're gonna wait for it to load. So after we loaded, there is the enter the amount of space to shrink in megabytes. So this is in megabytes. We're gonna go with 400, I don't know, 88, let's say. That's around 4 gigabytes, maybe less. So we're gonna click on shrink, and we are going to get so we got around 5 gigabytes or exactly 4.99 gigabytes of unallocated memory. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna right click on C again. We're gonna go to extend volume, click next, and as you can see, we've got exactly 5,111 megabytes of free unallocated space. We're just gonna click on next, and we're gonna click on finish. We're gonna wait for it to go, and after, as you can see, it already did. We have 930 gigabytes of memory, and we've added or extended our disk partition. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope I helped you. I hope I learned something, and thank you for watching the video. Bye.